Assalamu alaikum friends. Today journal knowledge question answers. First question is New Zealand's nickname for its inhabitants comes from which flightless bird that is also a national symbol? Its answer is kiwi. Next question Nepal respectfully venerates which common domestic animal as a prominent national symbol? Its answer is cow. Next question Komodo dragon is the national animal of which country? Its answer is Indonesia. Next question Mouflon sheep is the national animal of which country? Its answer is Cyprus. Next and last question. What is the national animal of Peru? Its answer is Visuna. Thanks for watching.